A breaking update coming in from the national capital where Lawrence Bishnой's legal team has been claiming that there was a firing incident and they have been calling it as a targeted attack on their car at ISBT area in Delhi. However, the Delhi police seems to be verifying the details, and this seems to be the information that has now come in. According to initial information that suggests that several bullets that were fired in this incident, however, no casualties have been reported, and the police are said to be examining the footage from nearby CCTV cameras as well. Dave is connected with us. Dave, this seems to be an incident of firing that has now been reported on a legal team that represents Lawrence Bishnoi. What more details can you add as far as the investigation by the police?
Right now, the police is examining the footage and trying to determine the identity of the assailants who shot at the car in which the advocate linked to Lawrence Bishnoi was fired upon. This happened in ISBT in Kashmiri Gate area of New Delhi. As of now, one person has been injured. Thankfully, no casualties were reported in this attack. However, like I mentioned earlier, that the CCTV footage is being analyzed. Several teams have also been formed to try and crack this case as early as possible. However, the police has conducted forensic search and examination of the area as well to try and find if any bullets could be retrieved, if any shell casings were found at that point in time. But we are expecting an update later in the day today from the Delhi police. However, these, like I mentioned, that the identity is not known. These are unidentified assailants who opened fire at the vehicle last night, which is Tuesday night. So one of them sustained a bullet injury on their shoulder. In fact, in a very small video, one person is also seen sitting down. And it seems like there is a little blood oozing out as well. The car's windscreen is entirely shattered. If you look at the visual.
So the car carrying the lawyer associated with the legal team of jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi came under attack, and this has now been reported near ISBT, which is Kashmiri Gate area in Delhi, where according to police updates and reports that there were unidentified assailants who opened fire at the vehicle. One reported injury is also coming across in this incident. Dave, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We'll get you more updates back after a short break.